So this creamy, cheesy ham and mushroom pie is tasting better than even I thought. It's really good. It's really good. You think about it, you could also use vegetables. So you could throw some spinach. You could put some broccoli. Anything. You could add what you want to it. Moving right along, guys. It's time now for your carnival cook-up, and it's brought to you by the folks at Grace Products. And for that, we have a very, very special chef in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Chef Charlene Procope Delph. She's our fitness chef. She's our fitness chef on the show. So she does all these wonderful, fit and healthy recipes.
That tastes so good.
That tastes so good, she reminds me. She reminds me all the time. It tastes so good. Now, Charlene loves these Grace jerk products.
Okay.
She loves them.
Gerald, honestly, if you all need jerk seasoning, this is like the best product to use. Like, honestly, Gerald, I've been telling you that before I even did a recipe with it, because I use it at home, at anything. And literally, when I cook my healthy meals, the only thing I need is the jerk seasoning. I don't need to put any other ingredients like salt, ketchup. I don't need to put anything
and that works perfectly for you.
Because I mean, the less calories, the better for me.
Yeah. So it's your fat you get in it.
Wait. I tried to put on a little muscle. So don't tell me.
I can see the muscle. I can see the muscle. I don't see the fat. Choice of words.
What you making for
today? So Joel and Preedy, I'm going to be doing a jerk chicken wrap for you all. So, which jerk seasoning you want to use? Either the spicy, which is my favorite, or the mild.
We're going with your favorite?
Yes. Even if I didn't pick it, I was going to go with it.
Yeah, you was going to take me on.
Yes.
You just asked you a trick question.
I'm going with it. So, Joel, what I have in the pot is some bell peppers, zucchini. You can use cucumbers if you want. I have some onion and pimento. Now I have some chicken breast. If you have leftover chicken at home, you can just strip it up and basically just add it to your vegetables. And that's it now.
So that's already cooked chicken?
That's already cooked chicken.
Leftover chicken kind of vibes. Yeah, nice. Yeah.
So, Joel, like when I cook, I usually put paprika, I put some basil, Italian seasoning. I like to spice up my thing with all the salt, with all the black pepper, with all the all-purpose. We throw that out the window.
Yes.
Right.
You like to throw things out the window.
Seasoning alone. So, Joel, I'm going to tell you something about the seasoning. It's the best. It is the best. So, to my jerk chicken wrap, all I did was literally, plenty pepper.
The Preedy say no.
Y'all want plenty pepper?
Yeah, you've been pretty but them not eating.
So,
thank you, Mom.
So we can
I love you. I appreciate you.
So, okay, we'll go with the audience and we'll do half and half.
All right.
Right. There's half.
What kind of half is that? Do you measure it with a bucket?
All right. We'll go with about a tablespoon of the spicy. And then with the mild.
Oh, so you can mix it.
Yeah, we'll go with a little bit again.
She mixed it on the half.
She mixed less mild and more spicy.
She like it hot.
I did put more the spicy because I like my thing a little spicy. Right.
Yeah.
And basically, Joel, Preedy, that's all you need. Okay. Everybody, you just need a teaspoon, a tablespoon, a cup of the seasoning.
Yeah. So
and that's all you need to flavor it.
So you didn't add any salt,
nope.
Any pepper.
Nope.
No additional seasoning.
The seasoning has all of that already. So you don't need to add more to bring up your blood pressure. We don't need all that salt in our diet.
Yeah. And it's very flavorful.
Yes, it is.
And it's very flavorful.
So we're going to go with the sun-dried tomato for Joel.
Why is she? So I can get it plain.
We all want you to be healthy, Joel.
Very good, okay.
And we're going to go with the white for Preedy. He can put on a little side, right?
I am everything but a plain person.
So now I have some sour cream. You like sour cream?
Yeah.
I love sour cream. So we're just going to add some sour cream to the wrapper. We're going to add some baby spinach. Now you could use lettuce if you want to. I just happen to have baby spinach at home. And we're going to add all this for Joel. Right.
I find I should add some more. I have some in my pocket.
Yeah, I think you're adding some lettuce too.
I have some in my back pocket here.
That's a lot of greens. That's a lot of greens.
Some baby tomatoes. Let me just cut it up and add it in here. Joel.
Yeah.
No way, I'll get Preedy some tomatoes too.
I'm giving him some.
It's okay.
If this is my only way for Joel to eat his greens, guess what?
So I like my DJ Narco, he just order gyro with no greens in it.
No.
That is the kind of
And then
person
you put plenty sauce.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
sauce.
no, we can't live like that. Right, and basically, this is it. If you all see how it looks, we're gonna
See
add.
that? It's,
So guys, that's what Charlene Procope Delph does. She's our fitness chef on the show. You can see her for the entire weekend. And she kind of pulls out some of the ingredients that we would normally cook with.
You want more chicken?
Salt, butter. She pulls that out and replaces it with other things.
healthy things. You can't
With
even
healthy
say it.
things.
You can't even say
I
it.
can't say it. I
And
can't say
basically,
it.
look how good this wrap
But
is.
it looks good. It looks good, Charlene.
One
It looks
ingredient, the jig seasoning.
Good. It looks good.
And also a lot of veggies.
It looks good, Charlene.
Nice. So now we're gonna Joelle take
So you
the
put too
whole
much
wrap.
tomatoes in my own.
I feel so.
You put too much tomatoes in my own.
Back in
But
the
I'm
day.
putting it back.
Back in there. No tomato waste. You're coming out there. Look at me.
Get in there.
Need that tomato.
Nice. So here you go, Joelle.
Yeah, that was it. It's nice. 16
There you go.
tomatoes.
16 tomatoes. Thank you very much, Charlene.
You come and
A
feel like
chicken drop out, so I'm giving it to Preedy.
You're giving it to Preedy. All right, yeah, no problem. No
feel like there's a
No problem.
gotta be better than the avenue. But
I want to thank the folks at Grace for making this one possible. I want to thank Chef Charlene. She has been telling me she wants to use the Grace jerk products. So she booked this
There you
segment a long time ago.
And
Preedy.
that's it.
I'll just put some of this small
I tell you, come hungry.
Oi.
I tell you, come hungry. Guys, Preedy has to run. This is the busy carnival season. Preedy, I want to thank you very much. Just before Preedy goes, guys, Preedy has a concert that he's pulling off on the 31st of January.
Yeah. It's my first outdoor concert. I'm doing it with a live band. Starter drinks on me.
Starter drinks on you.
Also, we have TT Rideshare involved. So if you need transportation, we're getting it to the venue. They're safe, home safe. It's at Songforge, that's Mokorapo Road, right after Mokorapo Secondary School. On
I
the
like the
left-hand
venue.
side.
I love the venue.
Yo, it's
I
an
love the
amazing
venue.
venue.
It's- yeah.
State of the art, concert performance, party atmosphere, bunch of artists, probably more than Soca Mona. Valentine Soca Mona.
Yeah.
So make sure come out. Hopefully I see some of you guys there, and
I'll be
Definitely
there.
there
I'll be
for
there.
sure.
January 31st, guys, Songforge. It's right
Let
off
me get
Mokorapo Road.
access.
Put it into Google Maps and you're sure to find it. This guy, not only, as I said, one of the top soca artists that's making his way and charting a brand new course. Soca is in good hands when you listen to the likes of Preedy. The likes of your buddy, Second Star. The soca is in good hands. Let's give this guy a round of applause just before he leaves. Ladies and gentlemen, Preedy is in the building. We take a short break. We're going to thank the folks at Grace for making it possible. Chef Charlene.
Thank you. How was it? It's spicy.